changes.
Turn and face the strain.
Changes. Don't tell them to grow up out of it.